Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Leaf Classes. I am Anjali. Children, in the previous video of our Marks Enhancer series for Section B, Part 1, many of you commented that you want to know whether variable description should be given with each program of Section B or not. So I thought of making this short video to explain you actually what is required, right, children? Now, as per the semester 2 specimen question paper released by the Council for ICSE Computer Application subject, it is not mentioned in that question paper, right? But in case they ask for the variable descriptions used in the program, then what? Because we can't say at the time of examination that it was not there, so I can't write. That time we can't say anything, and whatever is there in the question paper we have to do, right, children? So just 5 minutes you give me, watch this video carefully, and I think you will not have any doubt in writing variable description table in the program. Only if it is asked, then only you are going to do, right, children? If it is not mentioned in the question paper, no need to do, but if it is mentioned, then you should be ready, right, children? So first check what is asked, right? There it will be mentioned that give the description of the variable used, or the list of variables, or the mnemonic codes, or the pseudo codes, right, children? So how it has to be written, right? So just put the heading asked as per the question paper. Like if it is given variable description, you put the heading variable description. If it is written mnemonic code, put the heading mnemonic code, right? Like this I have mentioned here, variable description or mnemonic code or pseudo code or list of variable, whatever it is, right? And below that you will be making this table: serial number, variable name, variable type, and purpose. Children, already one video is there for variable description table. You can just check that also. In the end screen of today's video, I'll put the link of that, right, children? Now, once you have written this, you have made the table. Now, obviously, you have to fill the entries in this. So, how you will be doing that? For this, I have taken one question here, and this question is question 8 of our Marks Enhancer series. So here is the solution, and this solution I have picked from the comment box. Only one child commented and I checked this program. Only the change which I did is, instead of input stream reader, I have used scanner class. Children, again here I will advise you to use scanner class functions for input, right? So this is a program to input 20 integers in an array, find and display the maximum, minimum, and sum of the array elements. So actually, children, variable description is what? The variables which you have used in the program, you have to describe that, for which purpose you have used, right? So if we see, we have this one variable here, we have one I, then max variable is there, min is there, sum is there, all these are the variables, right? Because there is no hard and fast rule that if I am taking the looping variable as I, everyone is going to take I. So we have to give the description of the variable which we are using, right? So in variable names, you will be writing like this, the variable names given in the question. If it is array variable name, don't forget to put the square brackets. The rest all the variable names which you are using, you know what is the purpose. And obviously we declare those variable. So you know the type of the variable, like suppose here all are int only. So in variable type you can write int like this. For array type, you can write only int, or even you can write integer array. That is also correct, right? Now the purpose. Children, the purpose has to be written in plain English. There is no rule for writing that you have to use this particular syntax only for writing the purpose. So you just have to mention the usage or the purpose why you have used that variable in your program. Like if you see here ARR, this is one integer array. If you see here, it is declared as integer array. And what is the purpose? The size is given 20 here. So I have written the purpose to enter 20 integers. You can write to input 20 integers or to accept 20 integers during the execution or to input 20 integers from the user. Anything you can write what you think is okay. You can mention that, right? Then come to next variable, that is I. If you see here, we have used I in for loop. So just mention looping variable, right children? Then max, min, sum. As per the question, we have taken these three variables which are of int type to store the maximum element of the array, to store the minimum element of the array, and to store the sum of the array elements. That's it, children. And when you will write the variable description table, hardly it will take 2 to 3 minutes for one question. That means within 7 to 8 minutes you will be able to write the variable description table for all four programs. But my advice to you that if it is asked, right, then do it along with the program. Don't do all variable description towards the end, or don't write it towards the end, because when you are doing the program, the variables which you have used in your program are still there in your mind. You know that which purpose you are using which variable. So if you will do all together, then it will be difficult for you to check why you have used this particular variable. So do it together, right children? For today, this much only. So I think now your doubts are clear about variable description. Again, I am repeating, if it is asked, then only do. If it is not asked, no need to do. And definitely now you have understood, and if asked, you will be writing it correctly. Right children? And if you haven't subscribed the channel till now, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get the notifications for all the videos and no important topic is missed by you. You may join us on our Telegram channel also. The link is there in the description box. Keep practicing the programs. Keep doing section A and B both. Happy learning, children. God bless you.